Have you ever caught yourself mindlessly scrolling, already past 2 a.m., even after promising you'd stop in just 5 more minutes? You're not alone. The average person spends 2.5 hours a day on social media. That's equivalent to 38 days a year. Now, what if I told you there's a way to break free from this without deleting your accounts or becoming a hermit? First, let's expose the trap. Social media isn't just fun. It operates like a psychological slot machine. Every like, comment, or viral video triggers a dopamine hit, giving you instant gratification that keeps you hooked. Behind the scenes, the algorithms are incredibly smart, learning about your fears, hobbies, and insecurities. Using that data, they feed you highly targeted content that's nearly impossible to resist. It's not a coincidence. It's a multi-billion-dollar design built to keep you trapped and engaged. The harsh truth is, you're not the customer. You're the product. Your attention is being sold to advertisers, and the longer you stay online, the more they profit. The question is, are you in control, or is social media controlling you? Before talking about solutions, let's diagnose the problem. Ask yourself, do you check your phone first thing in the morning? Do you feel restless or anxious when you're offline? Have you ever planned to check just one thing and ended up scrolling for an hour? Or more importantly, do you find yourself comparing your life to others and feeling worse about yourself? If you answered yes to any of these, then social media is likely controlling your life more than you realize. And the real question is, how long will you let that continue? The good news is, you have the power to take back control right now. With a simple action plan, you can transform your relationship with social media effectively. Here are a few strategies to help. 1. Reduce accessibility. Move social media apps off your home screen. Better yet, log out after each use. This creates a small but powerful barrier that helps prevent compulsive access and keeps your focus on what truly matters. 2. Turn off notifications. Eliminate unnecessary distractions. Notifications are designed to keep you constantly alert, pulling you into an endless cycle of consumption. By turning them off, you regain control over your attention and become more aware of what you're doing, rather than being dragged along by external stimuli. 3. Set time limits. Use tools like screen time or digital well-being to set daily usage limits. If you use social media for work, schedule specific time blocks for it, ensuring your interaction is productive instead of aimlessly scrolling through content you don't even remember searching for. 4. Replace, don't just remove. Cutting out. Social media without offering an alternative can leave you feeling lost. Fill that space with productive habits like reading, exercising, learning new skills, or even meditating. The key is to find activities that nourish your mind and body in a healthy way. 5. Use social media intentionally. Instead of becoming a passive consumer, aim to be a creator. Use social media to learn, share knowledge, and create meaningful content that adds value to your life and the lives of others. Turn scrolling into a more enriching experience aligned with your values. Free yourself from the prison of social media, but do it consciously, with balance and wisdom, focusing on habits that promote your well-being and personal growth. Social media often offers nothing more than frustration and a sense of emptiness. Instead of getting lost in endless entertainment, use your time to network, promote something valuable, or seek knowledge. Take an important step. Unfollow accounts that add nothing to your life and invest your time in profiles that inspire, educate, and motivate your personal development. Practice digital detox. Challenge yourself to go 24 full hours without accessing social media. Start gradually and slowly increase your offline time. A powerful suggestion is to create a weekly Sabbath, a period where you completely disconnect, making space to live real life more fully and intentionally. This will bring a sense of renewal and balance to your routine. Reprogram your mindset. Remember that social media does not reflect true reality. It acts like a shop window that often distorts the essence of life, generating insecurity and comparisons. Instead of giving in to FOMO, fear of missing out, embrace JOMO, joy of missing out. Less time online means more time to live life as it truly is, with more authenticity and presence. The positive impact of breaking free from this digital addiction is immediate and transformative. Here's what you gain by taking this step. More focus and productivity. By reclaiming the hours once consumed by social media, you'll notice your ability to complete tasks and achieve goals more effectively, reaching higher levels of performance. Better mental health. By reducing the anxiety caused by constant comparisons and social media pressure, you'll experience greater inner peace and emotional balance, promoting a lasting sense of well-being. Stronger and more genuine connections. By replacing shallow online interactions with deeper relationships, you'll build true bonds based on shared values and experiences, cultivating authentic friendships. More time for yourself. Imagine having 2 or 3 extra hours in your day. That time could be used to start a project, learn a new skill, or simply live more fully and meaningfully. These free moments can transform your routine and enhance your quality of life. Freeing yourself from social media addiction isn't easy, but the benefits are immeasurable. You don't have to give up the platforms entirely. Just take back control of your usage. Start slow, set healthy boundaries, and use social media as a tool to elevate your life, not as a trap that drains your time and energy. Here's a challenge. For you, take action today. It could be deleting an app, setting a daily time limit, or even staying offline for a few hours. What matters is taking the first step toward a positive change. Share in the comments what action you decided to take, and inspire others to do the same. This is your first step toward breaking free from digital traps and reclaiming your time. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more content like this. See you next time.